Hey, what's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about how to rank your business higher on Google Maps. So stick around. We're going to give you the top 10 ways that you can do that. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about how to rank your business higher in Google Maps. I've put together a very pretty slideshow for you here. So we're going to give you the top 10 ways. I'm just going to jump right into it. Please like and subscribe for more content. Leave us a comment down below. But let's get into it. So number one is to optimize your Google business profile. So if you don't have your Google business profile optimized, that's definitely one of the things that you want to do. Just Google Google business profile. It used to be called Google My Business. You want to make sure everything is filled out in that section, including your hours, business description. Use keywords in your description. And make sure your service area is selected right. Another tip too is there's also a place to add frequently asked questions. You can, as the business owner, you can actually populate frequently asked questions and provide answers there. So make sure that your business profile is filled out accordingly. So that's number one. Number two is get more Google reviews. Now that's easier said than done. We have a whole system in place where we help small businesses, definitely focusing on service businesses like roofers, contractors, electricians, plumbers, those types of things. We actually help people get Google reviews, but I mean, you can do this yourself. If you want a system to do it, we can help you with that. But just encourage happy customers to leave reviews. And you always want to do it in that kind of that honeymoon phase. You know, when you just completed a job, just simply ask them, hey, are you happy with everything? Hey, would you mind taking a few minutes and leaving us a review, and then give them a link to your Google review. We also have, let's see if I have any here. We've got, I don't have any cards with me, but there's also things that you can do with, if you're a business where you've got a storefront type of thing, you can have little things like this that sit on your desk that people can scan. These also have NFC chips in them. So that's another thing that you can do. You can do business cards with NFC chips that again, you finish a job, everybody's happy. You just do the cleanup and you ask the customers, hey, is there anything else we can do for you? Great. Would you mind leaving us a review? We have cards that we create for our clients that we work with that they can just take out that card. It's got their business logo. You basically tap it to their cell phone and, you just tap it to the cell phone and boom. In fact, I just did it there. It comes up on your phone. So that's another way to get reviews. So definitely recommend you do that. The other thing is respond to your reviews. Google rewards people for being engaged with their customers. So if you get a review, go in and leave a response. Now, a lot of business owners don't have the time to do that. Again, talking about our product, we have AI review responses where every time a review, we have an AI bot that goes in and responds to any review that you get. And we can customize that to, kind of to speak your language. But anyway, you can do this yourself manually as well. Just respond to all reviews, positive and negative. It shows that the business owner cares about their customers. It shows that the business owners are engaged. So definitely get more reviews, encourage customers to leave reviews, and almost as important, respond to each and every review. And that will help you rank higher on Google Maps for sure. Number three, ensure that your NAP is consistent. So NAP is name, address, phone number. Make sure all of those are consistent across websites like Google. There's just a million directory websites out there that you want to make sure that your name and address and phone number. Let's see, because if you've got different phone numbers, different addresses, maybe you changed a business name slightly, or you're using a DBA. In fact, we can do a quick search for you if you want. We can search all the main directories and make sure that your information is congruent. If it's not, it confuses Google and it doesn't rank. So these are called citations, by the way. So just posting citations across and making sure all that name, address, phone number stuff is accurate across the web. Add photos. So this is, again, for your Google business profile. If you're a roofer, if you're an electrician, take pictures of your job. You can upload those photos right from your cell phone. Add photos to your Google business profile. Encourage people to comment on them. Again, Google likes it when you're engaged with your Google business profile, and they reward you accordingly. So update your profile with fresh photos, just to show Google that you're an active business, and people love that. Use local keywords. So if you're, use local keywords in your Google business profile, kind of a no brainer, but you'd be amazed how many profiles that we look at that don't have this stuff in there. So Seattle electrician, Miami electrical services, panel replacement, just thinking on the electrical side of it, you can just kind of search for the keywords that your competitors are ranking for, and then make sure you have those Google keywords on your website and your Google business profile. Number 6, build local backlinks. So there's lots of ways you can do this. Backlink is a link from another website to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more Google sees this as a relevant website. You can partner with local businesses, sponsor community events, get links from their websites. Make sure that you're on all the directories. Again, these are called citations. Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, those types of things. Again, there's a million citations. In fact, we just did a job for a local landscaper, and we did 100 citations for him and made sure all the name and address and phone number and everything is consistent. So that's a service that we can provide. You can go out and do this yourself too if you've got time to do that. Number 7 is post regular updates. Use Google Posts to share offers, updates. Especially, think of seasonal type stuff. What are some seasonal posts that you can put that are relevant to people right now? Maybe we're coming into the winter time and windstorms, things like that could cause damage to a roof, or, power outages, things like that. Make sure you're posting updates, offer incentives to people. Posting consistently shows, again, an active business. Number 8, set up and optimize your service areas. So you'd be amazed how many Google profiles you look at that don't have the service areas dialed in right. So you can dial it in by radius, you can dial it in by town. So define specific service areas in your Google business profile to show Google where you operate. Keep this list updated if your coverage area expands or changes. Number 9, is again kind of simple, kind of a no-brainer, but doing website SEO. So link your Google business profile to mobile. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. It's fast loading. Optimize your site with local keywords, service pages. So if you're doing blogs, you can do blog posts, and you want to make sure to include those local keywords. Again, Seattle Roofing Company, something, or wherever your location is. You can create separate pages for each service area on your website. If you want to have a little bit more discussion on that, book a call with me. We've got, I'll put the link down below to do that. And then last but not least, encourage engagement. So encourage potential clients to click, call, or request directions directly from your Google profile. Use attention-grabbing CTAs. So a CTA is a call to action. You need to tell people what to do. If you want them to call, if you want them to click a link, if you want them to learn more. So those are considered call to action. So make sure you've got call to actions on your posts, on your website. Those should be front and foremost where everybody sees them. Book an appointment, get a free inspection, those types of things. Make sure that you've got those attention-grabbing CTAs to keep your profile updated. So those are some things that you can do to help you improve your Google rankings. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you're consistent and you have a plan in place, we've seen some pretty dramatic results over, 30, 60 to 90 days. And if this is something that you continue to do, and when we got to think about Google, the days of, going and asking, I shouldn't say it's completely done, but what we used to do is we'd go and ask for referrals for somebody. Who a good roofer? Who'd you use for your roof? Now that referral source is Google. Most people will do that. 83% of people will look at reviews before they actually work with a company. And so this is why this is so important. You want more business, you want more reviews. And so hopefully you guys find that helpful. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.